Derek here from Arcadia Rug Spa, and I thought I'd give you a quick demonstration of how we vacuum rugs and how you can vacuum a rug when you're at home. Now obviously you're going to think, well no, you just get a vacuum cleaner and you vacuum the rug. How else differently can you vacuum a rug? Well, we'll show you now, and we'll show you, strangely enough, how you can get far more out of a rug vacuuming it the way that we'll show you than your normal way. And it also helps to keep the rug in better condition as well. So I'm going to vacuum this rug the way you would vacuum it, so you'll have to bear with me. Hopefully I can work out how to fast forward this bit, and then we'll fast forward through. So I'll just get on and do this first. Okay, so that's vacuuming the rug. We call that north to south because we've vacuumed it north to south. You can vacuum it again that way if you want to, and it will help you to get a little bit more out. But here's the trick. This is what you do next. Flip the rug over. And you now vacuum the back of the rug. This is a brilliant way of vacuuming shag pile rugs and rugs that you can't actually put one of these on because it just gets tangled up in all the pile. So you can, it's certainly a really good way of doing them sort of rugs. Turn it over. If you go down there now. Vacuum this rug. What you got to remember is we've just vacuumed this rug. The face fibre of this rug and got as much as what you would think you could get out of. And as you can see down there, there's still a lot of dirt in this rug. So hopefully I'll fast forward this bit for you. Okay, so I'd carry on vacuuming this a lot longer, but I just thought what I'd do is I'll just show you what we've got out of And there you go. Vacuuming your rug upside down. It's It's the best way to do it. Cheers.